If someone were to ask me what delicious snack they can make with a nutritious sweet potato, I'd say sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries? Sweet potato fries. But it turns out we already have a recipe for that on the College Recipe Cafe blog. So what's another idea? Got it. Imagine this. We take this sweet potato, we slice it up, we roast it and turn it into sweet potato chips that we can use for nachos. Imagine this turned into roasted sweet potato chips with nacho toppings on top. What do you think about that idea? Well, if you like it, here's how to make them. To make these sweet potato nacho chips, we are going to start with one medium sweet potato and we're going to cut that into 1/4-inch slices. In a big bowl, we'll add a tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it all up, add those sweet potato slices back in and give them a toss. Then preheat the oven to 400, and while that's heating up, line that baking sheet with some parchment paper and scatter your sweet potato slices on top, and in the oven they go. 20 minutes, that's all they take, and when they come out, they look like that. Oh, those look good. But we are jumping ahead here because we have to put together our toppings, and we can do that while those sweet potato nacho chips are baking in the oven. So the toppings I went with were a green bell pepper, sliced it up, diced it up, and then diced up a red onion and some banana peppers out of a jar. Those were good. Some olives, bought the wrong ones with pits, so I had to remove those, slice them up. Throw it all in a Tupperware dish, just give it a shaky, so it could go on those delicious looking sweet potato nacho chips. But where's the cheese? Where is the cheese? Oh, there's the cheese. Oh man, I got scared there for a second. So the cheese goes on top back into the oven. And when they come out, they look like this when the blur goes away. Oh, very nice. There's a better shot. So dig in, enjoy, and please let me know what you think. Let me know what toppings you used, and would love to see a picture of your sweet potato nacho chips. You can post those on Instagram. Tag me at College Recipe Cafe. Would love to see what you made. So thanks so much for watching. Cheers.